show alarming visuals of houses and animals being swept away and vehicles marooned in floodwater. The floods caused serious property damage in many areas. New Delhi, in the Bay of Bengal, caused flooding in parts of Andhra Pradesh on Thursday. In the Chittoor and Kadapa districts, even as the Met Department predicted more rainfall on Friday. At least 25 people have died in landslides and floods triggered by heavy rains in southwestern India. Residents were cut off in parts of the coastal state of Kerala as the rains. Eleven bodies have been found so far in Idukki district and another 14 in Kottayam district.